Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about this that you really can't use the Smart Fill tool in this case. And if you didn't watch part one, this thing has double lines, a lot of double lines. If we select it, it's got 65 lines. Well, I stated in that video that you can't use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in and get rid of those double lines. But there is a way, so I thought I'd go ahead and clarify that. These are lines. This is a side, just lines and dash and dots and the star. You can go up to object and convert the outlines to an object. You kind of graze it out there, but you can use the Smart Fill tool now to fill that in. And when you move it over, you can actually see your work. And we're going to left click, right click. And now you're actually going to go to and break the curve apart. But instead of being 65 objects, there are only 15 because of the dashes of the line. And if we make it red and make sure it's hairline, it still is. Whoops, sorry about that. It made each one of these just one line now. But it did join the five-sided star, anything that's touching. You kind of combined them. But it did get rid of your double cuts. So there is a way around it, but eCuts does so much, and if you want to know more about it, just go to one of my videos and type in eCuts in the search menu, and they'll come up with a lot. Hope that helped. Thank you for